Hey everybody, it's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic here. We're going to go over some deficiencies and some benefits of omega-3s. Past few videos, we've been talking about an omega workshop coming up next Tuesday night with Dr. Alicia at 6:15 here in the office, where you guys will have a chance and an opportunity to test your ratio to make sure the three omega-3s, omega-6s are in line where they need to be. Because if not, right, we're going to have a lot of mental health issues, brain fog, weight gain, brittle fingernails, allergies can be a big thing, which a lot of people don't understand, which is a very important, crucial part, right? Allergy season, oh, it's just, this is the time of the season. No, it's because we're not giving our bodies the right thing during any season. So definitely want to keep that in mind. Top benefits, obviously, can help lower blood triglycerides, which is basically sugar in your blood. Reduce the risk of certain cancers, help out with certain brain disorders, mental health disorders, help out with asthma, helps out with baby development, growth. I can keep going on, and it's just that important that you guys need to check this out for yourselves if you haven't already, because you won't want to miss this opportunity where you can check your own ratio. It gives you a nice sheet of where you are, the breakdown of everything, and I'll go over that one with you next Monday, so you won't want to miss that. Have a great day, everybody.